Good day to all employers. I'm Irene Ahiro Carrascal, 40 years old. I am married. I have two daughters, age 16 and 11. I'm from Magallanes, Sorsogon, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. My height is 152 centimeters and my weight is 56 kilograms. I am a sixth among the 8 siblings in our family. My hobbies is cleaning the house, cooking, listening music, and dancing. Way back at 2019, in this year 2024, I'm working in Saudi Arabia in 5 years in one employer. I serve 8 members of a family, a couple, and their 5 children, 1 grandchildren. My duties is to taking care that 3 months old baby till 2 years of age. I got him sleep, showering, and others. Aside from that, I also do a household chores like cleaning the house, washing the clothes, cooking, and ironing. At the past year of 2016 to 2017, I also worked in Las Piñas, Philippines. I'm taking care of a person to clean his wounded foot 3 times a day because of his diabetic sickness. Aside from that, I'm also taking care of her elderly mother to do all the household chores like cleaning the house, washing, ironing. I cook a simple Filipino dishes for them. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money to provide all the needs of my daughters and my parents. And before this video ends, I would like to sing a song. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Thank you, Mom and Sir. I hope you like my song. And to my future employers, if you choose me, I promise I will do my best to serve your family. And I'm very willing to learn new things. I am very hardworking person, trustworthy, diligent, and honest. Thank you, Mom and Sir. God bless.